Hello everybody. Welcome to this English listening practice video. You can use this video to train your listening and speaking. So today, I will speak about chores. What are chores? These are routine tasks that you have to do. And usually, when we say chores, we are talking about tasks you have to do at home, like cleaning, cooking, washing, and organizing. Let me tell you about my experience with chores and how they are a part of my daily life. I live in a small apartment with my family. We are 4 people: my parents, my sister, and me. We all share the responsibilities at home. Every day, we do different chores to help keep our home clean and comfortable. It's not always easy, but when everyone works together, it becomes a little bit easier. In the morning, my day usually starts with a simple chore: making my bed. It may sound small, but it gives me a good feeling. A tidy bed makes the whole room look better. After that, I go to the kitchen. Sometimes, I clean the dishes from the night before. I wash them, dry them, and put them back in their place. After breakfast, if I'm not too busy, I wipe the kitchen counter and take out the trash. That's something I do almost every day. The trash fills up quickly, especially when we cook a lot. During the week, I have some bigger chores. On Tuesdays and Fridays, I sweep and mop the floor. I put on my headphones and play music or a podcast. It makes the time pass faster. On weekends, I help with laundry. This is one of my least favorite chores. I separate the clothes: whites, colors, and darks. I use the washing machine, then hang the clothes outside to dry. Later, I fold them and place them in the wardrobe. My sister helps sometimes, but not always. One of the hardest chores for me is cleaning the bathroom. I try to do it once a week. I wear gloves, use strong cleaners, and make sure everything is fresh and clean. It's not fun, but it's necessary. I also help my mom with grocery shopping. We make a list, go to the supermarket, and bring the bags home. Then, I help unpack and put things in their place. It's not a daily chore, but it's an important one. In the evening, I sometimes help my mom prepare dinner. I cut vegetables, clean ingredients, and sometimes even cook a simple dish. I'm not a great cook yet, but I'm learning. I like spending time with her in the kitchen. It's a nice bonding moment. Another chore that I take care of is watering the plants. We have a few small plants on our balcony. They need water every 2 or 3 days, and I enjoy doing it. It's relaxing, and it feels good to take care of something living. Doing chores has taught me a lot. It teaches responsibility, time management, and teamwork. It also gives me a sense of achievement. When the house is clean and everything is in order, I feel proud. Of course, I don't always feel motivated. Sometimes, when I'm doing chores, I like to listen to English podcasts or music to improve my listening skills. It's like I'm learning and helping at the same time. Chores can be boring. Yes, but they also give me time to think and clear my mind. It's a small break from screens and social media. Sometimes I'm tired or busy, and I don't want to do anything. But I remind myself that these tasks are part of life, and they make things better for me and my family. So, what about you? Do you help with chores at home? Which chores do you enjoy? And which ones do you avoid? Let me know in the comments. That's it for today's episode. If you found this helpful, don't forget to follow us. And keep practicing. See you next time.